Module 5, Lesson 2. Decomposed fractions is a sum of unit fractions using tape diagrams. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to use a number bond to show how 1 can be decomposed into fourths and how fourths can be composed to make 1. Okay, so we're going to first make a number bond for 1. Okay, there's different ways we can decompose fourths. We can have 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 2/4 gives us 4/4 because we know fourths is the unit fraction, so 4/4 make 1. Okay, an addition sentence starting with 1 equals, well, 1 equals 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 2/4, and that represents what we have in our number bond. Okay, there are some other ways to decompose 1 using fourths. Okay, we could say 1 equals 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4. Another way is we could say 1 equals 3/4 plus 1/4. Another way is 1 equals 2/4 plus 2/4. Our denominator, which is the bottom number, that's our unit fraction, our units. It takes 4 to make 1 whole. There are 4 pieces, so 4 out of 4 is 1 whole. Okay, all of those equal 1. Okay, the next thing that we're going to do is we are going to fold a piece of paper into 8s. You should have a strip of paper on your desk. So what you're going to do is you're going to take and you're going to fold it into 8s. So if you have your strip of paper, fold it in half. Okay, that's going to give us 2 pieces. Okay, if we take it and we fold it again, that's going to give us 4. If we take it and fold it again, that's going to give us 8. So we have 8 8s. We need all 8 to make 1 whole. Okay, our unit fraction is 8ths. Okay, because we have 8 total. Okay, what we're going to do is you're going to take and shade in 7 of them. Okay, so take a minute to shade in 7. Pause the video if you need to. Okay, let's take a moment and decompose 7 8s. Okay? So we have 7 8s. Okay, let's decompose it into 2 parts. We could say 4 8s and 3 8s. So 7 8s equals 4 8s plus 3 8s. Okay, you should already be thinking of another way that you can decompose this. You can decompose 2 8s, 2 8s, 2 8s, and 1 8. So 7 8s equals 2 8s plus 2 8s plus 2 8s plus 1 8. Okay, let's do one more way to decompose 7 8s. We could say 6 8s plus 1 8. So 7 8s equals 6 8s plus 1 8. Okay, problem number 3. we're going to write number sentences to decompose 5/6 as a sum of fractions with the same denominator. Okay, so we're going to take 5/6 and we're going to break it down. Okay? So if we have 5/6, what are some different ways we can decompose this? So we're going to write number sentences. We could say 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 equals 5/6. 5/6 equals 4/6 plus 1/6. 5/6 equals 2/6 plus 3/6. Okay, there's lots of different ways that you can break this down. Okay, we could say 5/6 equals 2/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6. Okay? Okay. Now, let's think about using tape diagrams to decompose 5/4. Okay, the unit fraction is fourths. So it takes 4 pieces or parts to make one whole. So let's draw our tape diagram. Okay, this is 4/4. This represents one whole, but we have 5/4. So we need another fourth. Okay, let's use some brackets. Okay, let's write a number sentence. 5/4 equals 2/4 plus 2/4 plus 1/4. It's very important that you look at the bracket to help you figure out the unit fraction. Okay, in this case we were told, but it takes 4 pieces to make one whole. We have more than 4 pieces. That automatically tells you that there's more than one. You have more than one whole. Alright, let's try another one. Let's try 7/6. Let's draw our tape diagram. Okay, the unit fraction is 6. That means it takes 6 pieces or parts to make the whole. The whole is 6. We have 7/6. That means we have more than one whole. Okay, let's draw our bracket. One whole is 6/6. We have 7/6. Okay, see how we're beyond the bracket? We're beyond 1. Alright, let's use some brackets to group down here and write number sentences. Okay, so 7/6 equals, well here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4/6 plus, here we have 3. 3/6. Okay? Okay, let's try another one. Let's try 7/4. The unit fraction is 4, or fourths. So we know it takes 4 to make one whole. Our whole takes 4 pieces. So let's make our whole. Okay, there's our whole. Okay, it takes 4 of them to make one, but we have 7/4, so we need 3 more. Okay, this is 7/4. Okay, let's use some brackets. Okay, so here we have 1/4 plus 3/4 plus 2/4 plus 1/4. Okay, please go ahead and try the problem set and make sure you check it with the answers and then do the homework. The exit ticket is on Shobi. Remember, that is your Schoology username and password.